Good evening. My name is Sally Casper. I'm here again to show you what is FutureNet all about. Now, when you join FutureNet, so what is FutureNet? It's an online business where you can make money just like Facebook when you share, when you download the pictures, your pictures or your family's pictures, you post, you chat with them just like Facebook, but you're earning some money. So it's also so another one. This is a networking business, online business where you can make money while you sleep. So isn't that nice? Why don't you join and learn what is FutureNet is all about? Now, there's also multiplication of your workforce. For example, if you're earning, for example, let's say $5 a day, but then you are hiring or you are bringing 5 people under you. So if they work hard by bringing their friends, you also make money from them. So it's and then you also, if you invest your own money once, then you'll be you get interest every time or every day by clicking their ads, and the share also the revenue of the company. So, and then you get also the media points, you get from the FutureNet products, and then, you earn money by playing their games, and then also the websites. And then they have the shopping platform. If you shop in eBay or Amazon, eBay, Groupon is also with FutureNet. So if you're familiar with those company, they are with FutureNet, or they are advertising FutureNet. So you have your daily work. If you work harder for your success, then you'll be earning more money every day. So you're working offline and online, you'll be earning money, because even if you're sleeping and your friends in the other side of the world are working during their day or evening time, so you get commission from them. So it's working offline and online. You also make money, and there's the cycle of success. Like for example, if you're earning for example 5 people times 5 people, that's quite a bit. It's like 5 level deep. So it's very interesting. And then there is also learning on the marketing plan. You also make money on the marketing plan. So join and be curious what is FutureNet all about. You can learn, and while you learn, and then earn some money while learning. Isn't that interesting? And then start now and join us and learn what's this company all about. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.